How to enable or disable use video sound as ringtone when setting cold background on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then tap on the More button. Next, from the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Then in Code Settings, we go down and tap on Cold Background. Next, tap on Background. In here, select a video. And if you want to use the video sound as ringtone, make sure you tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Otherwise, you can turn it off. And that's it. Once you are happy, you can then tap on Set as Cold Background. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.